So, I heard that many of you have the problem of when you're cleaning up the rice you have from your cooking, it it gets sticky, it's all over the place, you can't really clean it up because you just get this sticky mess. It, it sticks everywhere, you can't really get rid of it. And yeah, so for me that's not really a problem. So I'll give you 3 tips what I use to clean up a mess of rice. So first off, you want to have your rag and you want to make sure it's properly wet. Normally you would squeeze all of the water out, but now you want to keep some water in there so it can drop the grip of the rice on the stove and you'll get most of it. You want to have it proper wet and you just throw it out and your rag is relatively clean. Say you forget about this tip, you're like, oh no, I forgot the number 1 tip. And this has gotten dry and you can't really get rid of it anymore with the wet rag because you just got this hard rice, it's stuck there, it's proper stuck. Use a spatula and you can, of course this is not dry or nothing, but this is specifically made to get hard to get things like meringue. You can get meringue off with this and you can easily throw it in the trash. And if you don't have one of these or it's too hard for this, use steel wool. It can get anything off. Nothing beats this thing. This is magic in the kitchen. This is your Excalibur and everything. Destroyed pan. This will fix it. And yeah, that's it. It's my 3 tips. I don't want to extend this to 10 to 15 minutes for no reason. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you thought this was helpful, or tell me some other magical tips that you have that makes it somehow even easier and simpler. So yeah, thanks for watching. So, as this was a video made without a script, I forgot to mention a few things, and of course some things I would like to mention after the fact while watching it. I know that it's not really realistic to, like, when you're making food, the rice is gonna sit there for a while and it's gonna get a little bit harder. But these rice were made extra sticky. I didn't wash them at all. I just put them in a pot, boiled it even too much so that it would be a little bit harder. And also this is not the kind of videos you should be expecting on my channel. At least if this is the kind of videos that are made on my channel, I'll be really disappointed because this was meant to be a gaming channel, as explained by the anime shirt. So yeah, it was not really realistic situations. If you want it to be a realistic situation, this can be if you have a, it doesn't need to be, just to have a damp rag next to you while you are cooking, so that you're not gonna get this situation where you have super dry, gross rice. You just push your pan out of the way. Of course, if you have a gas stove, you don't do it. You can sit with it. You're gonna get the dry, crusty. Then you want to let it cool down. You want to use the steel wool or the spatula to just kind of crack it away, and then finish it off after, of course, it has cooled down. Afterwards, you can scrap it away. Then after with a rag, it's gonna take a minute, but it's gonna get out of there. Yeah, steel wool. You can use it wet. It will break off most of the rice, and often just all of it will be just completely clean already. So yeah, that's gonna be the actual end of the video. If you're interested in gaming videos, I have a video up, which also is not a gaming video, but yeah, it's also just a sports short log. So check that out if you want. Also, I'm working on another video that is gaming related. It was supposed to come up next, but then I was asked this question, so this was brought to my attention. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you are interested in gaming content. If not, well, good luck with your cleaning. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.